Splash him.
What can you see? Today, Lily, we are off in search of sunshine, and we are not just popping to the park for this one. It's going to be an epic adventure.
There we are.
Where are we going?
To beach study.
You going in there? Wibbly wobbly.
Can I go
On the sand? Yeah, do you want to stand on the sand?
Can you do some sandcastles?
Yeah, should we build them together then? Let's build some sandcastles.
First.
Yeah, I bet you will.
I smash them with my hand. You build them first.
Okay, and then you're going to break them.
Wait.
Push your glasses up on your nose like this. Not your nose, the glasses. Push the glasses. Come here. Like this. There you go. Thank you. What's in there?
A bit wet that side.
You're a bit wet.
I'm swimming it.
Oh, yeah.
It's looking like a swimming pool.
It does look like a swimming pool, doesn't it?